Well, hi there. You caught me reading the comments from our previous videos. Like this one from Roger McDougal McLaren out of Fergus Falls, Minnesota. Well, doesn't that explosion beat all? I'm getting myself a MRcool unit today. I'm not surprised, Roger McDougal McLaren. With a genius marketing campaign and a great product, who wouldn't want a MRcool? Or this comment from Hanky Spanky in Jessup, Georgia. I struggled with my window AC unit addiction for years. With MRcool, I feel free. Thanks for leading the revolution. You're welcome, Hanky Spanky. Deborah Williams from Redding, California says, I can't believe you blow up window units. What a... Well, Deborah Williams, if that's your real name, you should get a MRcool DIY ductless mini split. It helps with anger issues. It sure helped mine. But we'll take your suggestion and shift away from window units to space heaters. Space heaters can really run up the power bill during the coldest winter months. Today I want to show you how to make your space heater more efficient. Step 1. Drag your space heater behind your car for a solid mile. Step 2. Take what's left of your space heater and set it in a 10-gallon tote of gasoline. Step 3. Blow up the space heater. Well, that explosion wasn't big enough. Step 3, part 2. Blow up the space heater again. Step 4. Get yourself a MRcool DIY ductless mini split. The MRcool unit will heat and cool your home with utmost efficiency, saving you bukus of dollars every year in energy costs compared to a space heater. Visit MRcool.com for details. Oh boy! If at first you don't succeed, try and try again! Like this one from Roger McDougal McLaren. Like this one from Roger McDougal McLaren from Minute. I can't believe you blow up window units. Expletive. It's leaking. How's it leaking? Step 3, part 2. Blow up the... it's a space heater, not a window unit. I keep wanting to say window unit.